We here at Mathews Brothers have always been social butterflies. Rumor has it that before the Civil War, while out on deliveries, our founder would make charcoal sketches of his midday meal, then show his pictures to customers and people he encountered along the way so they too could see what he had for lunch. And while we've continued to be very sociable on the various social media of the era, there's one particular medium where we are underrepresented, and that is the YouTube. Consider this. On the Facebook, we have over 3,000 followers, but on the YouTube, as of now, we barely have 90. Starting today, we're going to do something about it. And by that, we mean we're going to ask you to do something about it, and that something is to go to youtube.com/Mathews Brothers and hit the subscribe button. What will this get you? Well, how about access to all of our amazing, useful, and interesting videos? We have all sorts of how-to videos, technical videos, inspirational videos, as well as videos of every radio commercial like this one we've ever recorded. Every single one. You can learn more about our wicked awesome windows and doors, but only at Better Lumberyards and Window Professionals, or on the web at MathewsBrothers.com. Mathews Brothers with one T, America's oldest window manufacturer.